Welcome to Extreme Platinum TV Box Tutorials.
Quick troubleshooting tutorial. So if you click into the media center and it just takes you to a black screen and it just freezes and you can't get into the media center, if you press the home button and you try to go back in, it just takes you to a black screen. Try this. Come down to this green Android man and you're gonna want to kill all your apps. You actually want to do this every time you start up your box. You know, if you can, kill all your apps and then try again. If the problem still is there and you still can't get in, this is how you wipe your data and you're gonna start the media center like a fresh media center. So you're gonna come to settings, other, more settings, you're gonna come down to apps, then on the bottom, access media center, and you're gonna press clear data. Press OK. Now we want to wait until it actually recomputes the size and it has a 0 right around here, right like that. Alright, we're gonna press the home button and then we're gonna come right back into the media center. And now the media center is a brand new media center. So if it's just not working out for you, or you think, you know, something's wrong with the media center or anything like that, do that little trick, clear your data,